Welcome to RidgeLife. You know, I mentioned the other day we had lost a chicken. It was one that had been sick, you know, sneezing and coughing. I treated it for a very long time, and it lasted about a year, but it never really got over its respiratory infection. We just found it passed away. It's our first chicken that's died. You know, we've had foxes and coyotes, you know, and raccoons and all that, you know, get them when they were out free ranging. But this one died, you know, in the run. Our neighbor was getting out of chickens and gave us this beautiful Wyandotte. You can see, isn't she beautiful? She lays one a day, and she's beautiful. And we're going to put her in with the other chickens. Now we want to separate her in a little kennel, and so they can acclimate themselves to her. And then tonight, when they all go to roost, I'll take her out of the kennel and I'll put her in the coop with them. And then tomorrow morning they wake up, hopefully everything will be fine. So they're going to have a few hours tonight to come to the kennel and look at her and everything. And I threw some scratch down to them, so they're all pretty happy. But I'll let you see her. Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she beautiful? She is a beautiful girl. She's a beautiful girl. Look at these wings. She's beautiful. So let's get over here and get her in the coop. Okay, we're going to get her in a coop here in this little dog kennel. That way they can see her and get acclimated to her. And they'll come over and sniff her and watch what she's doing. And they'll just take some time to get acclimated to her. And once they do, they'll accept her into the flock. Now there'll be some pecking order going on tomorrow, but they'll be able to know she's here this evening. Again, I'll quietly put her in the coop tonight when the other chickens are roosted, and tomorrow morning hopefully they get up and she's just one of the flock. Of course, the Gertie's going to have to peck at her and say, "Hey, I'm boss," which is what Gertie does. But let's see what they do. I'm gonna get out of here, and I've thrown some scratch down the other end, so a lot of them are busy getting their bellies full. So they'll come down here and see her in just a second. So let's do that. Here they come. Hey, Gertie. There you go. Now y'all can visit. Now y'all can visit the new girl. Isn't she pretty? Isn't she pretty? Don't you like her? So Gertie, that's Gertie right there. She's looking at her going, "Who is this? I am the boss." Everybody else you can see is just eating. But Gertie, she's like, "Hey, who is that? I'm the boss. I am the top of this pecking order here." Look at her. She's going to peck her through the kennel. She's like, "I am the boss." Gertie. Gertie is the boss, aren't you, Gertie? And I got a rooster on here on top. This is one of the younger roosters. The big orange gold one over there, he's the daddy rooster. He's the top of the order, but of course Gertie, our hen, she's really the top of the order. The rooster, he's the protector, but he's the red shirt on Star Trek. He's the security guy that's going to die, whereas Gertie is really Captain Kirk. So, yes, I know that was a geeky Star Trek reference, but that's what we do out here on the ridge. So, look at Gertie. She hasn't ate a bit. Gertie is just... Look at that. See, if I put her out there right now, Gertie would be pecking all over her. Gertie hasn't, and Gertie's the one that's a big pig, and she eats like crazy, and she is not letting this girl out of her sight. Come on, Gertie, just get something to eat. Get something to eat, Gertie. Looks like our rooster is happy we got a new girl. He seems pretty interested. Old rooster here is like, "Yay, new girlfriend. Lost a girlfriend, gained a girlfriend." So Gertie's she's walked down the other end, so she stopped being all crazy about her. And you can tell which hen is the rooster's favorite by how many feathers are missing off their back. The one that's just on the other side of the kennel now, she's missing a lot of feathers. A couple of these are missing some. But that rooster jumps on their back and just pulls them feathers out, and that's how you tell which one's his favorite. So this beautiful hen here, hopefully she doesn't get all her feathers ripped out. But we're gonna let them get acclimated to each other, and let's leave them alone for a little while. How about that? We're gonna come back and check them again. I'm gonna take her and put her in the coop tonight, and then tomorrow morning we'll come check on them. So I'll probably come up here tonight with the camera, and we'll watch and see what happens. We put her in the coop. Hey girl, see if we can get you in the coop, and nobody else bother you. Want to do that? So you can get out of the cold, huh? See if we can get you out of the cold. Does that sound good? Let's open this up here. So turn this around here. All right, you ready? You ready, huh? Come on. Yeah. I got you. I got you. Let's see what everybody else is doing inside here. Right, there they are. Hey, get you up in there. Go on. Go on. Get up in there. We need some more room for you guys, don't we? Need some more room for you guys. Y'all should make room for your friends over there. You got a rooster sitting in the nesting box? There we go. Go ahead and get in there and make your way. Good girl. Good girl. Go ahead and get up there. You find you a spot. Okay? Find you a spot. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Don't come out here. You stay in there where it's nice and safe and warm. Okay? Got some food back in the back over there? Yeah. Good girl. Alright, I'm going to make you go in there further, okay? Go ahead, get a little further in there. There you go. Alright. I'll come back and check you tomorrow, okay? You be good. Y'all be good to her. Wherever you're at in there, Gertie, you be nice now. Be a good girl. Alright. See y'all in the morning. Bye. Alright, let's go see how our little laced Wyandottes doing today. See all the girls sitting up here. Alright, well, she doesn't know to come running whenever I come out because she doesn't know what the treats mean. But if I yell, hey girls, I hear you, I hear you. Look at you, aren't you pretty? So she's being isolated a little bit, but there was some down there. Let me throw some feed down there and we'll see what happens with all of them, okay? I hear you, buddy. I hear you. Let me get this kennel out of here. Of course, the girls like sitting on it, don't they? Hi, girls. Get you some fresh water. Yeah, I got you, buddy. Mr. Big Spurs. Mr. Big Spurs. What's up, Gertie? You guys are so dirty. Dirty girls. Dirty girls. Let's get you some scratch and see if you can intermingle with your new sister down there. Hey, girls. Hey, girls. I got your treat. I got your treat. Come on down here with the new girl. Hey, girls. Hey, girls. Hey, girls. Got your treat. Let's see. She's like, I don't know what you're doing. Oh, just get right in there with them. Just get right in there with them. Yeah. Just get right in there with them. Come on, girl. Yeah. You can do it. Yeah. Come on. What? You gonna be the pecking order? You gonna be the big girl? I don't think Gertie's gonna let you do that. I bet Gertie takes care of you. You're a pretty big girl, though. We'll see. Yeah, you're a little skittish. You just gotta get used to your friends, your new sisters. Yeah. You can do it. It's all right. Get right in there and get some of them worms. Yeah. See what Gertie says about you here in just a second. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. You can get in there, girl. I'll see you get in there and get some. Yeah. Let's see here. Get right on it. Well, are you scared? Are you scared? Are you scared? Huh? Are you scared? You shouldn't be scared. They're going to be nice to you eventually. You sure are pretty chicken. Check out our rooster. He's a big old rooster. You're a big old rooster, aren't you? There's Gertie. She's all dirty today. Let's see. She's the matriarch. Americana. You're still being isolated a little bit, aren't you? It's alright. Got to establish the pecking order. That's the way things work, isn't it? You got to establish the pecking order. That's what chickens do, don't they? That's what chickens do. You guys are okay. Sure be glad when it's not all nasty and muddy out here, huh? I have to let you out and let y'all have some fun. Ha ha ha. Well, we've introduced our little lace Wyandotte to the flock, and she seems to be integrating all right. You know, they're establishing the pecking order. Nobody's all picked up too bad yet, so we'll keep checking on her. Just got to remember that when you do introduce a new chicken to your flock, putting them in a kennel, isolating them, letting them, come see her, but not get to her, really help that integration process. And then if you take her in the middle of the night and put her in the coop up on a roost, the next morning things seem to be a lot better. And if you have smaller chicks you're introducing, you need to keep them separated much longer. But an adult size that's the same size as the rest of them, you can pretty much do it overnight like that. But that's the experience I've had. So hope everyone enjoyed seeing the new member of our flock here on the Ridge. And until next time, everyone have a blessed day and go Ridge Life.